Welcome to my channel. Hello everyone, how are you today? Let's all go out for a walk together. What a delightful time to relax in the sweet breeze of the calm river. The combination of the magical melody of the river and the flickering light of the afternoon sun has created a wonderful atmosphere. The weather is so lovely today. I am just enjoying the sound of the river. The soft light of the sun going through the leaves of the trees, the shadows seem to be falling apart again and again. The murmuring sound of the river fills my heart with sweet melody and helps me to forget my sorrows and sufferings for the time being. Thus, a walk by the riverside in the evening is very pleasant and enjoyable. After a long winter, nothing is more refreshing than a quiet walk with nature. It's so peaceful out there and the air smells so good. It's my own time. Sometimes I go there when I'm stressed, and then the peacefulness has filled my body and mind, and I feel complete. After long winter, the big trees are growing new leaves again. The sky looks so bright and clear. Walking in this beautiful place, I feel a part of the nature myself, and the nature is a part of me. Sometimes we all need to get out of city life and be in peace with Mother Nature. This place is very close from my heart. It brings me to a place I need to be when life becomes too much to handle. sooner than I expected, that I realized it was already time for me to go home. Please subscribe to my channel, it will be appreciated. I returned home full of happiness and energetic impressions and feel like a new me. The beautiful flowers in my small garden are so colorful. When I am sad, they always make me happy. Thanks for watching my video. I am concluding my video today by wishing everyone a lot of good luck. See you soon in my next video. Until then, stay well. Take care, everybody. Bye for now.